I don't even, Asher's driving this wild ride. I don't even understand what the heck this thing is. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video, dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. What's going on, guys? Welcome to MrBeautyTribe's YouTube channel. Yes, you heard it. It's been a long time coming, but we actually have our own official channel now. Now, if you guys don't know my wife, Torrie, you probably should by now. It's Torrie's Beauty Tribe, the Unfluencer brand. Her whole movement is absolutely crazy, so please make sure you check it out. She's the one that's been putting me up for this channel for a long time, been wanting me to do it, motivating me to do it, and I'm finally gonna do it. So here we are, Unfluencing with MrBeautyTribe himself. Here we go. So why am I starting this YouTube channel? It's really just to share my passion with other enthusiasts out there like myself, just kind of show my interest, not to bog down the Beauty Tribe channel with all my randomness, all my great videos. So really the purpose of this channel is to help grow Torrie's Unfluencer brand while still giving myself the ability to share my passions with all of you guys, all you other enthusiasts out there that like things that are similar to me. I get a lot of random ideas in my head and I just want to share it with everybody. And then sometimes it comes across on the channel kind of crazy because they're all expected health and beauty and fashion, and then I pop in with a random car or truck video and everyone's like, what the heck's going on around here? So anyways, gonna bring you some exclusive content on my channel. You'll probably still see some behind the scenes stuff with Torrie. It'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, we're just kind of gonna have this new slate kind of branching off of Torrie's channel into my own, and hopefully spreading the Unfluencer brand and everything else that we stand for with all of you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. So I actually got started with YouTube back in 2006, so I am not new to it by any means. I did have my own personal channel for like skateboarding and everything else, snowboarding, etc. And then, you know, I didn't really take it seriously. I didn't want it to be a job or a hobby or something I had to keep up on. It was just kind of whatever. It was the new platform at the time, so I thought I'd play around with it. Didn't really do much with it, and then Torrie started working from home, selling makeup products, etc. And she's like, man, I wish I knew more about YouTube. I could probably use that platform to help get my name out there, show my excitement, and share my talents with everybody. So I actually helped her start her channel a couple years ago, and it just took off. We've had more fun with her channel. I think we have over like 300 videos on there now. And I just absolutely love editing YouTube videos for some reason. I got my own system, my own platform down, and it's just something that allows me to have that creative outlet. I'm not super artistic with pen and paper or anything, although Torrie is. You're gonna have to watch some of her craft stuff she's got coming up. But I'm more of a computer nerdy type, I guess you would say, when it comes to creativity. So I like editing videos, and that's why I'm going to start this channel, because it's just fun. I don't care if we get 1 million subscribers or 10. You know, I'm going to keep posting content. I'm going to keep making videos because I just absolutely enjoy it. So with that being said, that's kind of how I got started. So where do I draw my inspirations from? Well, first and foremost, Torrie. It's been a lot of fun being behind the camera, behind the scenes, and helping her expand her creativity, her knowledge, and share with all of you guys. So she's really inspired me, like, hey, you should do your own channel. So I'm like, I've sat on the fence with it for a long time, honestly. Probably the last year and a half I've been debating doing this. So it's not a fly-by-night idea. I'm actually going to do this and keep up with it. Yeah, try to take this to the next level. So definitely Torrie, a lot of inspiration. But then also other YouTubers that I like watching. You know, if I turn on the TV and go to YouTube, what am I watching? So, I mean, I watch duramax Jack. I really enjoy watching him and his family and his truck business that he's got going on. I like watching Stradman for all of his car videos. They're super fun. He's got a lot of energy, and it really just sucks you in. And same with Street Speed 717. I mean, his videos are absolutely insane too. I kind of feel like I relate to him a lot. He's just this super cool dude, chill, likes working out, stuff like that. So definitely enjoy Street Speed videos for sure. Whistling Diesel is just hilarious. Absolutely love watching those. I don't think we're gonna destroy the Duramax or anything, but we'll see. But yeah, I do like Whistling Diesel as well. There's so many on this list. I could go on and on, but I kind of draw my creativity from those guys. And yeah, we're just kind of gonna go along and make videos that we find are fun. So yeah, that's kind of my inspirations there. So I actually do have like the first 6 or 7 videos planned out, but you can expect to see a lot of truck videos, like I said. Saving all my pennies to get a new car that we're gonna film too, probably in the spring sometime. But we're gonna build this channel. I want it to be really interactive. I really want an interactive channel with you guys. So in the comments section, please leave comments down below and what you guys want to see, because I want to answer as many comments as I can. Kind of get into some debates too. You know, Torrie built her channel too off a lot of live videos she would do and post them on there, and then you guys could really, you know, get to know her as a person and talk things out and debate, you know, this or that. I kind of want to do videos like that too. Maybe we can talk about different trucks, you know, Ford versus Chevy, or different cars, and you know, we're going to do all these different things, and I'd like it to be as interactive as possible, and you kind of drive this channel along with me. So please hit that subscribe button and stick around. I'll have our first video posted on here soon. I don't know if we're gonna do weekly, bi-weekly, or what the upload schedule is gonna look like. I kind of enjoy Whistling Diesel, how he just randomly will post. He'll do like 3 or 4 videos, take a couple weeks off, you think he's done, then he posts another one. Or we could do, you know, a scheduled upload. I don't know. We're gonna kind of go with this and see where it goes. But anyways, you guys, I'll stop rambling for now. Please share this with everybody and kind of help build me up. I say I'm newer behind the camera, but I have a lot of videos on Torrie's channel too. So if you want to check out the playlist, it's on her channel under my husband's videos. You can check out some of my other content there. I'll link a few at the end here just to kind of get the channel up and rolling. But anyways, you guys, I'm really excited to be here, and I do appreciate all the love and support. So I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thanks again, guys. Bye.